Hello and welcome to the Rainware video log. Create a game with Godot, Day 3. As I said yesterday, I wanted to make the planning today for our next sprint, and yeah, let's get into it. I finished it successfully, so all the tickets were created today. I had a lot to write and a lot to create the tickets for. Just for clarification, in my team I'm working as full-time developer and making all the coding stuff, where I have a 3D artist, his name is Thomas. He is working on all the art stuff as 3D models, animations, visual effects, and his tickets are normally labeled with the art tag. I have my girlfriend who is doing the UX design, where these tickets are marked as UI, and we have some help in the social media area, such as finding interesting contacts, creating press kits, and all things we need for the social media stuff. These tickets are marked as social. So I want to show you one of the art tickets, because these are the most detailed tickets, because I want to write them very detailed for my colleagues, so there aren't many questions left when he picks the ticket and work on it. So this is just an overview how I normally structure the tickets. I just write down some criteria which needs to be done before this ticket is done. I try to describe the problem a little bit, and also for better understanding I attach some images to see what I meant with the description. Let's move on to the active sprint. I started today already, so I already worked on 2 tickets. One ticket is done already, or in review better said, and this was placed in the building randomly on a map. So our main building was normally placed on a fixed position. I changed that today, so you can see if we switch the scene that it's placed in different locations. So it is now randomly positioned somewhere in between of the landscape, and I also had quite some problems to fix it, that it should not overlap with the trees. So I had to make sure that it will be placed somewhere where the place is free and open for the building. That was quite hard, because the physics had some weird behavior, and I had to get used to the physics in Godot, and it was quite a hard learning, but in the end it works like it should. What is coming next? For tomorrow I have the ticket create algorithm to place rocks and trees randomly. So basically it's the same approach. I want that on my game scene all the trees and rocks are not just placed inside the editor. I just want to do that by script. So tomorrow I have to write some code for that to place it inside special areas. So we have to define the areas on the landscape where the trees can be placed and where the rocks can be placed, and also there should be not all trees available be used. Instead they should be picked 2 variations. That will be tomorrow. I also have to restructure the code, as I said yesterday. I will work on that and fix the scene architecture and structure in general in code. So this is an ongoing process. I hope the sound today is better. Yesterday it was a bit asynchronous and a bit off. Sorry for that. Also I missed to set the camera for the Godot scenes. So I hope this time everything works much more smooth. If you have questions, feedback, please leave it there. And if you're interested in my progress tomorrow, just tune in to the next episode of Create a Game with Godot. Bye!